We'll guide you through how to turn off stuck headphone mode on an Android phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's go and say you're using some headphones and then you want to unplug them, but you're still finding the phone is stuck in it and trying to output the sound through them. We'll guide you through how you can go and try fixing this problem, as it's really annoying as you then can't go and hear what's going on. So what you want to do is, first of all, try plugging in the headphones like so, and then what we're going to do is go and unplug them like this. Sometimes doing that will go and solve the problem. If it still doesn't, the next thing you want to try doing is you want to go and inspect the port. Go and make sure there's no dust or debris in there, as often if there's some in there, it can go and think there are headphones in there when they're not. So what you can do is go and inspect it. If there's any dust or fabric in there from your pockets, go and clear it out. Then go and see if that goes and solves it. If it's still not working, then it can be a software problem. So a great way of fixing this is by doing a restart, as often things just need a refresh. So come and find the side power button and you can then go and tap and hold it. Then you can press restart and restart again and wait for it to complete. When it comes back on, go and see if it's solved. If it still isn't, the next thing you want to try doing is getting an app. So open up the App Store and you want to go and press search at the bottom. Go and search for disable headphones. Select speaker like so, and then you can do a test and the sound should now be coming through the speaker. If you found this useful and it solved your problem, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.